Wednesday, January the 1st, 2025. Got to get used to saying that. Jefferson, Georgia. Business 129, 15 alternate, Georgia 15 alternate. We're going to get some New Year's Day videos today. We got New Year's Eve videos last night. We got bumper cars. I've already had one pass us on a yellow line. People taking down Christmas. Flag at half-mast, I guess, from last night. Oh, Jimmy Carter. Gainesville, 21. I was going to go into Atlanta, but I'm not going to go that far down. And the traffic, I meant to get out early and didn't do it. I would have liked to have gotten Atlanta early this morning, New Year's Eve, and then the game tonight. So Atlanta's going to be a mess. We will avoid. It'd be nice to get the video, but we're not going to do it. We're going to go by this old jail here in Jefferson. We may go over to Lake Lanier. Got to come back through Winder and check on the cat. So that may be what we do. Go get us some petrol. It says do not enter there, so we won't enter. That road's closed. Go to the Loves and get gas, and then we will maybe gas. I don't know if we'll get a coffee or not. Let's turn this off till we get back on the road. Okay, coming out of Jefferson on Georgia 82, alternate 15, Georgia 335. Get this little new subdivision or whatever this is here, just outside of Jefferson. I guess there'll be some more of these apartment type things. This could be commercial, but I think it's going to be residential. Yeah, I got mailboxes up here. So this will be townhomes, probably starting from the 3s. You actually have to get out and walk up there and get your mail instead of, well, I guess all of them are like that though. Some more of that stuff over there. Now look, is that stuff over there got heating units underneath those windows? Is that a heating and air unit? Got one great big vent up top. That's individual units. Huh. This will take us through, is it Sugar Valley, Apple Valley? But we're going to turn it off now. Unless we come up on some more subdivisions or something, we'll leave it off until we get to Commerce. Okay, picking back up, we'll be coming into the bottom end of Jefferson on, I guess 15, alternate 15. This may be 15, it may not be alternate. Let's see what it says. This is North Georgia 15. We'll get up here, we will turn right and go down, through town, then turn and come back up. That way we'll have Jefferson and Commerce on New Year's Day 2025. There's a Ford van for sale. I need a Chevrolet parts van. What I need is a new 4-wheel drive van. But I don't see that happening. Okay, there's a Hardee's. I wouldn't mind having a Hardee's biscuit for New Year's breakfast. Go through town, sun will be in our eyes, and then we'll turn around and come back. It'll be over our shoulder, so that'll be a pretty good video. For New Year's Day 2025. The tracks at that next crossing up there and turn around and come back. This will be the biggest of the town. I guess this was one way, wasn't it? We could be in both lanes now. We got 2 tractor trailers stuck on the tracks down there in Athens yesterday. I think we will stop at that Hardee's. I could eat a biscuit and some hash browns, whatever they call them. buildings, but there was one back there. I didn't get to read it though. Sitting there a couple of weeks. I wonder if that thing is for sale. It's a 1500. You need a 2500 parts van. Let's cut this off. We'll see about getting us a party biscuit, and then we'll turn it on and work our way down to the Loves, get to Loves, and then wrap this one up. Coming out of the Hardee's. We're not going to cross the tracks here. We'll cross the tracks down a little bit further. Maysville Road, Georgia 98. Take you to Gainesville too. We'll turn this off when we get to the Loves. We'll watch a little bit of it, but then we'll turn it off. We'll get some gas and maybe head down to Lake Lanier. get gas. I guess this will be a wrap.